Hi, just a quick little video to explain how our fill system works. It consists of the level control, which we monitor 3 levels, 2 solenoids, which is the main and the fill, and then a manual bypass. So we're starting at a low level like you'd have on initial power up or after maintenance, cleaning the tanks, etc. So from a low level, you're in alarm state to protect the heaters in the pump. The only solenoid open is your main. Your autofill circuit doesn't work right now, so you bypass right here and start your fill until the red fault goes away. Wait. Just take a minute and wait for that fault to go away.
How long should that normally take, Doug?
Well, I wasn't completely empty, so I'm just trying to show it. It would take a long time initially. Now we're already there because I didn't have it that empty. So in this state, you can now close your manual. Our autofill circuit will take over indefinitely as long as you never go to low level. Now it goes through this solenoid and it'll fill on the second input. We monitor 3 inputs, the low, the fill, and the high. The second middle input now is controlling everything, and when it's completely full, it'll turn to green. Yellow and green are off one input. The other input is your high level alarm, which will be a red alarm state again, but we'll get to that in a bit. Now this fill will take a little while.